Right. Injector seals. This is the third time that they've been done. I don't know if I can get that there. Well, see the oil and the diesel in between all them. So I'm gonna have to take all this away. So I get it all to the side. I done it the first time. The mechanic done it the second time. Twice it's been done. This will be a third time it's been done. Sorry, third time. So there's no lights come on the dashboard. I'm gonna disconnect the battery, you know. Let's see. I think she's 10 anyway. She's alright. This is a 10. Away from that. Here goes. Maybe rivets are broke at the back. From I think it was from there. No, I don't think so anyway. There. That's okay. That's the road. Set that there for now. Alright. What's next on the agenda? Is that a V10? I think it might be. The V10s. Right, so these V clips I always push down on them just to break the seal so as you don't break them, you know what I mean? That's that. Do a wee screwdriver. Give us that. be careful with these wee things here, because you don't want to lose them. And the top bits are plastic, so you don't want to break them either. So there's one. And so I was off the first one, so I'm not confusing them here. Yeah. First one. Second one. Third one. Fourth one. Right. Have to be very careful with these here because they say to be very brittle. Like, I just stuck my timer last time. Stuck everything from underneath it. Made it a lot easier. Saturday road. I'll leave it there. Pop them out of the road. And I'll be very careful with these here because I think the last time you'll have to be careful with these. Oh, don't really want to be fucking. Oh, the car start. Don't really want to be clipping this on this. Let me see. Don't really want to break these because they are brown, like. Oh, there's one. There's two. Oh. This one's a bit tougher. Just take my time. I'll break it. 3. 4. Oh, that was pretty easy. Set them out of the road. I think I said she was a 14. 14 it is. Over here, no. Before we go any further. Nearly forgot there. Huh, good guess, wasn't it?